welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. My name's Nick Jordan from Carroll, Lutheran Village, and we're going to be cooking some seared salmon today. So what we do first is you got to turn on your little burner here, add a little bit of oil for the searing purposes. You want to let that heat up a little bit. When you see it kind of move, it's about ready to go, and you'll hear it sear a little bit. You want to do this on about medium-high to get a good crust on it. While the salmon is searing, you have your cut-up chives that we did earlier, just in little pieces. You're going to take your roasted spaghetti squash and just kind of fork it through like this, and it should just come out nice and easy. And that's going to be our herb spaghetti squash. So while that's coming together, you just want to grab a little bit of salt and pepper, give that a little bit of a seasoning here. And you're also going to put some lemon oil in here as well for some freshness, just really until it glistens. And you want to stir this up. And that's going to be your herb spaghetti squash. When the salmon releases from the pan, just give it a little shake. If it didn't release yet, it's not ready. And we can come over here and check out our gremolata that I'm making. It's just blended parsley, oil, salt, pepper. And we're going to take our roasted hazelnuts. We're going to dump some of those in there. And this is going to be the hazelnut gremolata. It's going to be a really nice fresh sauce for the plate. Salmon's releasing, so you want to take off the heat. You want to add it to some sort of baking dish. Right now I'm just going to use this. And you want to put it skin down. So you have your nice little sear here, and you want to cook it like this in the oven until the internal temperature is about 140. And when you pull it out, it's going to look like this. So skin down, and you have that nice char there. That's how you're going to present your salmon on the plate. So we're going to grab a plate here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put a nice little pile of this spaghetti squash right in the middle. About that, it's about one serving. I'd say a spaghetti squash half of it serves about 4 people. And then you're going to take your hazelnut gremolata here, and you're going to go around just the outside like this. Try to get a couple hazelnuts in there. There's a lot of flavor. And then you're going to take your finished salmon, and you're going to put it right on top there. Hit it with a little bit of seasoning. And you never want to season before the salmon goes in, because it's going to start sweating and it's not going to sear as well as you would think it would. And then we're going to finish off with some pea tendrils here just for some garnish. It's a really nice, fresh, crisp. And then while we have the lemon oil out, you also want to hit it with a little bit of this. I usually like to go around the outside. And then that's done. This dish will be available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the cafe and bistro, and I hope you guys enjoy.